Good day, New York. Welcome back to the channel. Phase 3, 9th Avenue, 215th Street. Now, guys, we already did Phase 1, which I didn't know, Phase 2, and this is Phase 3 and the last final part of 9th Avenue. Now, let me show you where I am, guys, before we leave. Now, this one has only 5 blocks long, guys. It goes there, and the last block is gonna be like a curvy, like this. Then we come back up, we'll come back down south again. But this is the Department of Sanitation District Garage. Okay, all the way up here. Now that you've seen where I am, that is the blue sign up there, New York City Transit. Okay, now we go here, guys, and we start a journey on this side, and we go now. Okay, guys, and there's a bus here. This is 9th Avenue, extended, Phase 3. You could say that this is probably like the headquarters of the sanitation, I think. I don't know, because it's really big, man. There is one in Manhattan, but it's not as big as this one. Down in Lower Manhattan. This one looks bigger and immenser. Huge. Now, see? Coming up at 9th Avenue, 216th Street, guys. Extended. So technically, this is 9th Avenue extended from the original one. Oh, check it out, guys. Cool. And that one is the New York Transit Authority Kingsbridge Bus Depot. Okay, so you got the sanitation and the depot, and you see back there you have the authority. Yeah. Again, guys, to me it's like one of my Iron Maiden, one of my metal bands, Iron Maiden. Stranger in a strange land, and trust me, guys, I feel like a stranger right now. And check out the beautiful Zeta building, guys. Now that's a Zeta. Actually, if you notice, that came from the planet Zeta. You see, that is the New York City Authority 4055 Kingsbridge Bus Depot made in. Okay, and this is Kingsbridge Bus Depot storage building and use of the rest. Okay, now we keep going and show you the last and final Phase 3 of 9th Avenue. Oh, and by the way, guys, just as 10th and 11th Avenue are born on back there separately, but at the same time, now 9th and 10th will merge together up here, up at the north. So go figure. So you got 10th and 11th Avenue, you know, dividing, and you know, they're together but separately. And now you have 9th and 10th Avenue uniting but ending back there. Coming up at 9th Avenue, 218th Street. And that is a Spectrum building, or I mean a Spectrum parking lot. See, guys, let me show you in a few, hold on. See, that is the Zeta building. Now, don't tell anybody, but you ever heard of the Zeta planet? Yeah, well, they're from the, you know, planet Zeta, but don't tell them, because otherwise, you know, they're keeping it really low right now. So yeah, so this building belongs to the Zetas, or Satan Tenders, or how you want to call them. But this is their headquarters here, guys. Again, they're here because they want to do something. I don't know what. It's kind of like a undercover thing, so you don't tell anybody. My yellow flag. Now, guys, you will see that in here. Oh, and check it out. That's the Spectrum building up there. Again, right now I'm in a stranger in a strange land. Check out the beautiful parking lot back there, guys. Nice. And again, this part of 9th Avenue, very desolate. Hardly any people. Mostly cars and buildings, big buildings. But like I said, very desolate. 9th Avenue, Phase 3, final. Check out the parking lot, guys. So yeah, guys, man, right now I'm like, again, I'm stoked, guys. See, let me show you. See, that's all. I think that's also part of the what do you call it, spectrum. So see, so you have all this here. Notice how it narrows down the sidewalk. And notice how I told you it was gonna go around like this. Well, we're gonna go through it in a few, man, guys. And that is a Broadway bridge, guys. I might do that one some more time because I'm running out of time. I might do it if I don't think I will get to do it, guys. I'll get to the next time I come, okay? Again, I was having that was just my thought, you know, let me do a Broadway bridge, but no, I came upon the extended versions of 9th and 10th Avenue. Here, guys, you see more parking lot. See, more parking lot, guys. And notice up there the sidewalk is going to become really narrowing. And see, that's the Long Island Railroad back there. See, I like the red car. Nice. We keep going, guys. We keep going. Well, technically this is not a sidewalk, but it is now because now they have this gate over here. So we go going. Let me see if I can go through here, guys, because it's really cramped. All right, now. So we keep going through here, guys. See, let me see. Let me go through here. Yeah, a lot of debris, a lot of garbage. Well, see, I'm not gonna be able to go through there, guys. There's too much stuff. So we gotta go through here. We're gonna jump ship right now. Let's go through here. Let me see. Can we go through here? Yes, we could. Yeah. Again, guys, this is. Yeah, we can go through here. Let's go. Kind of cramped, but you know. All right, let's go. Now we have these cement blocks here, guys. See, that would have been our sidewalk, but it's close. See, drawbridge stopped. Okay, guys, we're gonna go here. As you can see, that's as far of a sidewalk they had back there. Now we go here. Now check this out. Check this out. Coming up at 9th Avenue, Broadway. And now, guys, I'm gonna go through here. Go this way. And we do a loop-to-loop now, guys. Now we go this way. And head back southbound again. Let me see if I'm able to do 10th Avenue, guys. Again, is the MTA, man. The number one train stop at 137, and we had to take a bus. And then after that, there was no upper one, so we had to take the A. So that's why it took me almost an hour just to get here. I could have done both avenues. You know, I mean, they're not that long, but still. Check it out, guys. Check it out. Okay guys, coming up at 9th Avenue, 220th Street, heading southbound. And this is PSIS 18, where all children can learn. Definitely, Simon. Children need to learn, bro. Today's world, you know. All right guys, right now we're not gonna get a lot of sun, so we're just gonna keep going this way. And we're gonna finish it back there where we started from. We're gonna close the circuit. Coming up at 9th Avenue, 219th Street, heading southbound. Again, the Zeta-toids, or Zeta people, what do we call it? Again, don't tell anybody. They're here on a secret mission. Don't ask me what or why, you know, just this. So, check it out. You got Mario the Flag and Spectrum. Now we're gonna be going by the bus depot right now. Coming up at 9th Avenue, 218th Street, heading southbound. Oh, you can feel the breeze now. So like I said guys, this is 9th Avenue, phase 3, final. This is still part of 9th Avenue all the way down there in Manhattan. They just extended all the way up here for some reason. Just like his cousin or brother, 10th Avenue. Man, they came up all the way up here. If I hadn't seen that Broadway bridge that I wanted to do, I would have never been doing this right now, guys. Oh, check it out. Buses, 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 New York buses. So, I love my New York buses, man. Cool. I'm gonna, when I get, if I do get any, whatever, I'll probably buy one of these and take it to Mexico. And vice versa, get one from Mexico and bring it over here. Nice. So yeah, guys, these are all the buses. And right now, it's not even rush hour, so when they get here, they're gonna start, these buses, for rush hour. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, coming up at 9th Avenue, 216th Street. And check out the building, guys, with the totem pole in the middle, and then you have like that circular window up there. Nice. That's pretty cool, man. Let me see if we can go through here. Yep, we can go through here. And guys, 15 minutes, like I said, like I predicted. Again, the other one had 7, this one had 5, so it pretty much, came close to the timing. And this is what we got. Actually, let me see. Let me see, we can go through here. Yeah, except there, because see, very, that is very close to the edge there. So we go here, guys, and finish the video. Again, thanks for walking with me in this journey, guys. Thanks for being with me. Don't forget to like me a lot. Don't forget to share the glory, the grace of God also, and the rest. Document and comment. Dame un like, un share, y lo demás. Okay, guys. 9th Avenue extended, final phase 3, and 125th Street. And I'll see you some more time. Bye.